The Refirme Skin Tightening Treatment is a revolutionary procedure that enables you to achieve a more youthful, lifted appearance. And Refirme is non-surgical, so you'll actually be back on your feet in no time. And it happens to be available right here in Albuquerque at Bair Medical Spa. Dr. Dean Bair and Kristie Bair join us with these lovely details. Hello to both of you.
Hello, good morning.
Everybody wants to look good and have a little lift without surgery. That is amazing. So what is Refirme? I mean, it's a skin tightening treatment, so is it a laser or what?
It's not exactly a laser.
Okay.
It combines laser-like heat with another heat source called radio frequency. And the combination of those two tightens collagen, resulting in tighter, firmer skin.
Wow, and it's non-surgical, and how nice is that to hear? I mean, you hear a lot about thermage, so I want to know what the difference is between thermage and Refirme.
Again, because it combines two different heat sources, it is more effective, more consistently effective, and it doesn't hurt. Thermage really hurts.
Really, it does?
I had thermage about 5 years ago, yes.
And it was painful?
It was painful.
Wow, okay, so then what does Refirme do? I mean, how does it feel if it doesn't hurt?
It feels, and I'm going through a series of treatments right now. It's a 5-treatment series.
Okay.
The treatment tip is chilled, so it's cold. So, and it's about the size, of your fingernail, thumbnail. So you can feel that on your skin. You feel the cold. Feels like the snapping of a rubber band.
That's not that bad.
And it's very rhythmic. Marissa, who's been on the show before, does the treatments. Can set it on automatic, and so it's an automatic pulse. You can expect it. It's every second, and it's just.
Oh my gosh. Okay, so then what about downtime then? Would it be something that people have to worry about as far as having red skin after the fact?
You're going to have pink skin, kind of like you've stood out at a soccer game on a Saturday.
Not even like laying out in the sun, just
no.
being out in the sun.
No, you're not going to be burned because again, that tip is cold.
Okay, that's great.
And it's driving the heat deeper than the skin. It's driving the heat down to the collagen layer.
I think we actually have some pictures. I would love to take a look and see how it looks because I know everybody always likes to see what results look like. So, wow, look at the difference in the skin. Oh my gosh.
Obviously, firmer, toner skin.
It looks like you're looking at a mother and a daughter. You know what I mean? The difference.
Yeah, obviously she's smiling in the second picture,
well, sure.
but still,
she's happier because her skin looks better. Oh yeah, you can see. I mean, look at the difference even around the eyes. It's just, and it's also, does it also brighten your skin because your skin looks brighter?
She had a combination of another treatment that we've talked about called photofacial, which addresses the pigment.
Okay, nice. So now, if you look at something
this
like
is
this,
my neck.
No, really, this is you, Kristie?
This is me. I'm 3 treatments into my 5-treatment protocol.
Wow.
And that after picture was taken last Friday, right after the treatment. So you can see I'm pink.
Oh yeah, but that's not bad.
No.
Look at your chin.
Not at all. Yeah, it's that turkey stuff right there was driving me crazy.
Well, and I have to say, because you're vain, because obviously you take good care of yourself. You're beautiful. You always look good. And I appreciate that you share those things with us because, people see you and it's nice for you to be, share something so personal and say, hey, look, I've been through what a lot of you have been through. I looked in the mirror and thought, uh-oh, about something, and look how much better it can be.
You look in the mirror, or if you're my age, you sit at your desk and you feel this, and it drives you crazy.
Hey, listen, I'm in my 30s, and I sit at my desk under these horrific fluorescent lights, and I look in my magnifying mirror, and I want to cry. I mean, because, we all want a solution to look better, and, age sneaks up on us.
It does.
We want to look good. So how long after a treatment would somebody actually see those results?
You're going to start seeing them like you could see with that. I've had 3 treatments, and again, you're supposed to have them once a week for 5 weeks.
Okay, once a week.
As you know, when you work a place, it's sometimes hard to fit yourself in. So I've really had 3 treatments over about 5 weeks.
Okay.
But I'm seeing results after just 3 treatments. But you will continue even after your 5th treatment. Your collagen is going to continue to reproduce itself.
Oh, wow.
So you're going to continue to have improvement.
Well, and I know you have talked also about a lot of your skincare products. So once you have a treatment like this, would you be able to just recommend to somebody how to continue on with a good skincare regime so they can keep up the appearances?
Well, I tell people this is like going to the dentist, getting your teeth cleaned, and if you don't brush your teeth, you're
Good
not,
point.
you're not taking care of it, so you have
Well
to
said.
take care of it at home.
That's a
So a
great point.
good home skincare regimen really enhances and maintains this.
Okay, good point. And the other question I had, just thinking about it, when you were talking about it and how it kind of gets around your face with the rubber band, well, not with the rubber band, it feels like a rubber band. Do you actually say, okay, this is where I feel like I need it the most, or do most people do their whole face? Or, I mean, how does that work as far as parts of your face?
It's a full face treatment.
It is full face,
Full
okay.
face, neck. Oftentimes people will say, I really want to concentrate on the neck, but we do what we call a cosmetic unit, which is a face, it's a neck, it's a chest. Those are cosmetic units.
Great. Oh, good. Well, that's good to know because it's comforting that you can look good all around, literally.
Yes.
So how can people contact you?
They can call us
Okay.
at 881-1532, or they can find us at bairmedicalspa.com.
And if you've been living under a rock and have not seen New Mexico Style for the year, let me just remind you that they will also give you a free consultation as well. So we appreciate that. And you're also doing something else?
We are. We're having our holiday open house Thursday, November 8th, 4 to 7. We will have the cosmeceutical and pharmaceutical vendors there. People can ask questions. All of our medical providers will be there.
Oh, good.
We'll have food and drink, and everyone who comes gets a 15% off gift certificate.
I will be there. Thank you so much, as
Thank
always.
you.
Great information, and we'll be right back. Don't go away. See that.